Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the cellular changes of the acute inflammation. I have already uploaded the vascular changes of the acute inflammation. I will give it in the description box. I will give the link in the description box. These are the 3 steps which involves in the acute inflammation, cellular changes of the acute inflammation, which is margination, rolling as well as migration. Margination is a normal blood flow or an axial flow. The WBCs move in the center and the RBCs moves in the periphery near the plasmatic zone. When the stasis occur, normally the cell of the RBCs moves at the periphery and the WBCs moves at the center. But during stasis occur, the WBCs moves at the periphery in the margin and the RBCs are clustered together, which is known as Rolex formation, and moves at the center. The WBC is displayed to the margin, hence this is known as margination. Rolling. The marginalized WBCs are either swept or rolled by the bloodstream. The slow tumbling of the WBC along the endothelium lining is called rolling. The rolling of the WBC get adhered to the endothelium like pavement. This is known as pavementation. If you already seen the vascular changes of the acute inflammation, you can clearly understand this video. Please do watch it. Migration. After adhesion of the endothelial cell, the leukocyte move through the gap between the endothelia of the cell vessel by an active amoeboid movement. This is known as diabetesis. Chemotaxis or leukocytes. Leukocytes has a many type of receptor present in it, which are G protein receptor, phagocytic receptor, cytokine receptor. These receptors track the amino acid and lipid present. This amino acid and the lipid is known as chemoattractant compound. The movement of the leukocyte receptor to the chemoattractant is known as chemotaxis. When the amino acids and the lipid which are present is known as chemoattractant. When it moves along the chemoattractant is known as chemotaxis. Phagocytosis and clearance. A mechanism of killing pathogen. Phagocytosis and clearance. A mechanism of killing pathogen when an acute inflammatory cell reaches the pathogen. It extends the cytoplasm and engulfs the pathogen, and the extension of the cytoplasm is known as cytoplasmic extension. When when the acute inflammatory cell reaches the pathogen, there is an extension of the cytoplasm of the acute inflammatory cell, and this extension engulfs the pathogen present near it, and this extension which is produced by the acute inflammatory cell is known as cytoplasmic extension. After entering the inflammatory cells, after the entry of the inflammatory cells, the pathogen combines with lysosome. This happens inside the acute inflammatory cell. After the pathogen enters the inflammatory cell, the pathogen combines with lysosome and form phagolysosome. The pathogen combines with lysosome and form phagolysosome, and some enzyme are produced inside the phagolysosome, which is known as hydrolytic enzyme. This hydrolytic enzyme convert oxygen to superperoxide, and this superperoxide combines with the water present in the phagolysosome and forms hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide has an action of germicidal, so it breaks the bacterial cell wall and kill them. So this is how the pathogen is restricted, and this process known as phagocytosis as well as clearance. The chemical mediator released from the cells are histamine, serotonin, prostaglandin, lipoxin, leukotriene, platelet activating factor, and nitric oxide and cytokine. This is an important question which is asked in the university exam. Histamine source mast cell. It is produced by mast cell, basophil, eosinophil and platelets. Function: it helps in vasodilation and increases the vascular permeability, the contraction of the endothelial cells and increases the gap between them. These are the functions of the histamine. And serotonin, the main source is platelet. The function is vasodilation and increases the vascular permeability and contracting the endothelial cell and increases the gap between them. Is same as histamine. These are the functions of the serotonin. And prostaglandin, the source is phospholipid and it has the same function of serotonin and histamine. The three functions are vasodilation, increases the vascular permeability, as well as the endothelial cell increases the gap between them. Lipoxin, a source is leukotriene A4 and gets the further metabolized into lipoxin A4 and B4. The function is adhesion of the monocyte and anti-inflammatory action. Platelet activation, the source is basophil, platelet and neutrophil and macrophage. Function: increases the vascular permeability. Chemotaxis: increases the O2 production and cause degranulation in the macrophage. Vasoconstriction and bronchoconstriction. Cytokines: the source is lymphocyte, macrophage, connective tissue and endothelial tissue. Function is increases the adhesion molecular production and secretion of prostaglandins and secretion of cytokines and releases the proteolytic substance. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share my channel.